Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a best website. Its name is keywordsearch.com. It's best software for the SEO and YouTube ads with AI software like related them. If you want to run any ads like YouTube ads, Google ads, and if you want to do keyword research, I think this software will be the best for you. So just look at the software name is Keyword Search, and I will explain you about all the details about this software. So let's get started and always with me. Okay, so its name is Keyword Search. Discover the best keywords for YouTube ads with AI. Here AI will be used very much, so you don't have to bother any spending time here. All will be done through AI. Okay, AI power available here. All your filming and editing efforts are wasted if you don't choose the right keywords for your YouTube videos. So but average SEO tools aren't tailoring or YouTube, so it always takes hours of research to figure out which keywords are worth your time, which you could use AI to instantly pull comprehensively keyword data directly from YouTube, letting you develop campaigns that boost ROI. Okay, so let me tell you briefly about the keyword search. Okay, keyword search is a suite of AI tools that helps you research high ranking keywords, video channels and ads on YouTube. Just look at the description. Again, I am repeating you that it's keyword search is a suite of AI tools that helps you research high ranking keywords, video channels and ads on YouTube. Just look at here. Okay, so it's very high definition software ever. If you want to grow your YouTube channel by using AI, then this software is the best for you. Just buy the lifetime deal. Go to my description link. Here you will get your link and just buy from today and do your AI very fastly. Keyword search helps you scrape YouTube for relevant keywords, video placements and more actionable data that empowers your YouTube strategy. That way you will able to see how popular certain keywords are spotted and discover keyword opportunities that you will get noticed on the platform. Okay, keyword search uses natural language processing models to find keywords similar to the ones you are targeting, like words and phrases related to certain topics. By saving your favorite results in custom collections, you will able to organize data into targeted groups and conduct research in bulk. So just look at the YouTube search and go to the keywordsearch.com and just go. You can get a lot of information from Google and YouTube also. So its name is Keyword Search software. From today, just I think this will be the best software for you. I just revealing and this software which it will work and how can you set up. I think today you'll get everything from this software. So use your platform's extensive library of YouTubers to track keyword and spend histories for other advertisers in your vertical. So if you want to help your time, or if you want to decrease your time, then this software will help you to improve your YouTube channel and improve your YouTube ads perfectly rather than any other advertiser. Okay, suppose you run one ad and other advertiser will be run ads. Your run will be grow automatically through this AI power, other will be not. So why are you so late? That go to the description link. Here you get your link to buy it from today and fast your work and fast your business and everything just do from this software. So another features, let me explain with you. Track competitors and capture campaign data directly from YouTube to optimize your ad strategy. For any given keyword, you can discover video placement for YouTube ads that boost with ROI. Okay, so and with the JPL integration, you will able to connect keyword search to all your favorite apps and streamline and research workflows. So last but not least, if you want to find top ranking video placement for YouTube ad campaign by searching for targeted keywords, Keyword search take care of keyword research process, so you can optimize your YouTube strategy whether you are growing your channel or placing ads. So get lifetime access from today, and this will be very helpful for you. Features included in all plans like AI keyword search, discover similar keyword, video placement, ad search, competitor channel research, audience targeting 100+ countries and languages, advanced search and excluded keywords, everything on there. Just from today, download these or buy these software, and I think this will be the best for you. So I think this will be very amazing for you, and it will make you more helping to find the right software for you to research or improve your YouTube video and in any kind of ads, and you will get easily through AI and use this keyword search. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video.